how to delete your Cricket wireless account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log in to the application, and then from here turn off the AutoPay. So after logging into your account from your Cricket wireless application, you would need to now turn off the AutoPay in order to let account expire, or let it sit unpaid for 60 days in order to auto-terminate your service, right? So after doing that here, what we're gonna do now is call the Cricket. So you can get their number online, or you can get through the settings right here on the application. You'll be able to see help, tap on it, and then there you'll be able to find the contact us option. Simply contact them, and what you're gonna do is simply, like I said, call them for your account number and then port pin to transfer your line. So simply tell them to simply transfer your port pin, and then from there, once the port has once it has successfully been ported or expired, the account will automatically get permanently deleted. And that is exactly how you will be able to delete your Cricket wireless account permanently. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.